HillbillyNitro, your internet knife guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode of TheWalk&Talk, episode 73. And guess what we got, guys? Mail call, Grail call. Oh yes, this is a hillbilly Grail call. I finally got one. I finally got my hands on one. So let's get to this. Gonna be a pretty good video right here, guys. Without further ado, let's get to it. Emerson CQC7, highly used, my beater. So let's get to this. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe. Anyways, let's get back to this. If you're not subscribed, you can't get all these awesome knife videos. So join the family, the Hillbilly Knife Fam. We'll just rip this bad boy open here. And I've got a little yakking to do about this one right here. How I come across this. So let's get to it here, and got it wrapped up here. This is get her open. Number 85, African Blackwood, collector knives, Michael Latham SFO. This is an official / unofficial knife of Slipjoint Paradigm Facebook group. This is a knife I believe Mike done specially for them. It's Slipjoint Paradigm on Facebook, and just like the reserve on the other 85s that I missed by about 20 or 30 minutes, I think it was the next day or so, these guys put out, it was totally unexpected from what I gather, that they were getting some of these 85s in African Blackwood, be the Slipjoint Paradigm number 85, and they put out a call who all wanted one. Well, I missed that post by probably about 25 minutes or so. Every one of them was took up. So the guy Jeremy, the main guy of the group, I don't know him, never had talked to him before. I sent him a message on Facebook. I said, hey man, if you get an extra one that pops up, somebody backs out, let me know. And well, I didn't even know that he even got the message, because I didn't even know that he had read the message. And so I never did hear anything back about it, and they were all bought up. Well, a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, they got word that they were getting 11 more of these. And he had obviously got my message, and I was tagged in a post saying you're up. You know, he kept count of people that, you know, had seen my message. You know, if he had some extras pop up, somebody backed out or whatever, to send him or to let him know. Well, my name was on there. So this is a guy that never had talked to me before, and he kept me in mind. And that's pretty good character right there of a fellow knife brethren. Hard to beat that. I mean, I'm sure he has 100 friends that he could have sent one of these to, but he kept it legit and kept me in mind. So I was highly surprised about that, and I'm stoked about it. And so I wanted to get that little yakking out of the way. I'm sorry, that's 4 minutes in this video of me yakking, so I'm sorry. But I believe it needed to be said, so I thank you, Jeremy. I don't want to put your last name out there, but thanks, brother. Here we go. What do you think about that, guys? Is that a beauty or what? And got it for regular going rate on these. Didn't know secondhand eBay prices or nothing. Regular factory price on it. A stand-up guy in my book. Is that a beauty or what? Oh yeah, that feels great. Look at that. African Blackwood. Let's see here. I'd say that pulls. That's about an 8. Yeah, that's an 8. Feels great. Very nice. Check that out. African Blackwood. And she looks perfect. Those transitions feel great. Pinch bolsters, or bolster and end cap. That is a beauty. Very classy. That is a classy knife, and I am glad to put this in my collection. I have finally got one, guys. This will not be the last time you see of this knife. What a beauty. Let's take a look around her here. Very nice. Number 85 Bullet End Jack. Look at that big fat spear. Man, I love that. Love the matte striking there. That's one of my favorite choices, I guess you'd say. Options on a knife. Got the easy pull. 1095 on the blade steel. If you didn't already know, we have nickel silver bolsters on this one. You can see the little two-tone there. They make nickel silver bolster, end cap, and liners. Brass is pretty classy, but I think this nickel silver is pretty sweet too. That is a beautiful knife. Just let's check that blade center. On the money, guys. That is on the money. Let's check those tangs out there. Very nice. There she is. Number 85. 2018 production. Man, I can't be thankful enough he kept me in mind on this. That is sweet. Look at that. Still got this one right here in here. This is a factory second right here. But what was this called? Frontier Dyed Buffalo Bone. That's right. This is a factory second. Had a little crack in it right there, up near the bolster. Can't feel that one. This is a sweetie too right here. This is sweet. It's got some character to it. I love that. See, there's the stamp right there on the S right there. Look at those two right there side by side. That is sweet. That's going to wrap it up, guys. Sorry for yakking your head off there at the beginning of the video, but I just felt that needed to be said. Like I said, official, unofficial Slipjoint Paradigm SFO here. Pretty good group. I post some pictures in there every now and then, so that's going to wrap this one up, guys. So we'll catch you on the next one. I do believe I have some bull buster on the line coming up to us. Keep an eye out for that. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. Keep an eye out for that, guys. So we're going to sign off. Hillbilly is over and out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.